Okay.
Kofi Romantada.
I don't know what you're saying.
Is that Udino?
Romantada.
Kofi Romantada. What's so? What's some papa? No, I'm so much PhD. No.
Hevo.
Who does that mean?
Some I also say it. Be confident and say it. As a who to learn how to say it.
Chelsea for Massapa.
Okay. What's next 2 weeks or more match? No, I can't match.
But Champions League, no, maybe
senior.
Champions League. Obian shall also go be
senior. And to me, Chelsea.
Obian shall also go Champions League. Africa Cup, no one will
no problem. What's next 2 weeks?
Carabao Cup, no. Obian shall say change now.
2 weeks or more match.
And today,
and for what? Watch out for Arsenal for set piece. Everyone else should die set piece. It's more than yeah, Chimo. Until 3 days a week, United be able to train anything. Then I will be train. What are you showing? The whole season, almost 1 season.
Watch the table now.
Where table?
What table?
Yeah, best show.
Watch the table.
You do your bosses will be a table. To see an enemy table, open table. Say a queen amount to table. Your bosses in India will bring you back the table. They will see where you are.
And you know the behavior analysis of first it. Our board will see table.
And then see me for table, but what's your
I didn't think I don't for table.
Because I don't want to see
maybe I
don't want to see table. Do you want table? Look at your phone. You can look at table.
I say you be romantada. Mumuti.
Because you be romantada.
I don't refi. We go PH game you refi.
Because say.
Osun ba share price and my you ma free.
Ngasa ancho. O say o kasa na o dey.
Osun wan kasa.
Me kasa dey o kasa no. They say enye me wanwa if we turn it around. I use certain words. Who kasa say we
na me tie ya mpacho.
But
o say
recording over here na here.
Recording me. Ana wo ba no anya ma.
Show ni recording.
Ana wo ba no anya ma.
Fifi man for YouTube abinya. Etie phone on koku.
Enye die
TV umbinya. So it's
too much. I don't know about you guys.
Me.
One pound.
Makasa makabina na video gaza. Makasa
over to a you know others man.
They will not say human in the
one and no more than the realms here. On the route to better.
You imagine them no best.
Untimi.
Eradis.
Uncle Match about Benny. I don't wear matches. Match better. I can't only matches. You're losing just one. What do you say?
How many matches my boy lose one? How many matches my boy lose one?
The Emmy Yan say. The Emmy Yan say. My husband no could do bonnet. Is a young lady to a canoe until it was in a bit. Now it was in a couple match. I said, I did 45 to know qualify and go place. I don't want to see a movie. Yamia is here, but champion. You know, they say Kupama. Or see someone qualified on class actually Kupama class. Okay, sorry, none of them. Or see someone qualified Champions League. Almost Chelsea. Yan Kofi Romantada manu
yan nyama won da dan wa okupa man kasa anche
me sa o takashi ni nyete o tian koye ni
o takashi na me di hia o mbeze me di be hia o
ba na boys na ka to say boys ba takashi anyeta me yeyi to ba ha se tak nyete o
boys bia kata
Kofi Romantada yan koye ni yanko
entiem
mate
emenda from ne yan koye ni adwuma
ba ko fuwa mo wampa
me ba yembe as me say ya na me bo me say ya me bono enyemre na maye
chacha
bien na chacha
ti me mo de say
ba o man here clear say what bre pa Babre, because
just a matter of
well, now we say the 3-1 ya chine bono no fie 4-1 was saying. And so we say the 3-1 be cha what you walk.
Otra Stamford Bridge. Newcastle team ya actually fan we.
And the Newcastle one show.
Won't be shared this time.
On show.
Saturday the trouble.
Was you 2 weeks ago to come. Coffee Montana you know me Ampana.
Santa ka chwe mi yeto. Etian kwa yanku anim.
Debiti.
Oba so ya.
No the last batch.
And I got that. Why confused?
It's not possible.
Me catch us ko fi dey nye. Go no kasa.
I ko champions too much. Champions League.
Some ko Champions League Kenya sa result we dey live here.
Nkobi.
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 Dren yami na season ye ko bota me ko nobody
you cry going to qualify ko mi nje how nyame adumare ko mi
ba go you bro
me
because this weekend anyama nko yi ochina o mesa dia beto so
na me bre no
so bre the end of this week na
me bre ene ye woni me
brother enko mami too
there be no na make say ko meko you will not get the last word you make me cause I don't think is here I won't let you have the last word
I think I will confuse every say until was the one on to me.
No problem. Una say here go. You come back to it. Any problem?
You be am that me that 30 day me problem ni dey.
Who that take?
Aye.
And I will problem.
No, me problem ni dey.
See until now be. Which very say Barca have finally finished on election. And just as we expected, one Laporte winning election and me passema one Laporte kai. The only statement he made up for me I took away the bit about opponents no pushy hateful campaign I thought it was needless. There was no point in one Laporte Bekasa but promising the coolest say from now and into the future for this mandate Umber running Barca more passionately, Umber more magnificent, and they are going to be unstoppable. No, I think it's good. Something hits me in the course of the election when almost every player of the current Barca team show them support to an extent. Most of the players are through and through Barcelona so they have a votes. Mark and Ter Stegen at some point in time, and when they went there, they showed them support to President Juan Laporta to show say they have been good. And this is a picture of our brand friend Marc Bernal, Pau Kobasi, and Gerard Martin, and it was a very, very exciting one. Before that, Barcelona bought against Sevilla. Beautiful display total dominance. And you in front of Munda, almost a trashing, double trashing, and it sets the tone for Yami Adoma on Wednesday when they play against team my friend Newcastle United at the Spotify Camp Nou. Really, really big, but it's not going to be a similar game. It's not going to be the same game. Barca Sevilla versus Barca Newcastle. No. It's never going to be the same. Different kind of game, different type of game, different opponents. And about Sevilla or Spotify Camp Nou. I reckon say the record at the Spotify Camp Nou is nearly perfect for Barcelona but that is still going to be a very, very tough one for Football Club Barcelona when they stay at home. Now, if you watch the game against Sevilla, I did back on the film, the quality of a bunch of Joao Cancelo on and off the ball, and what he has given Barcelona he has shown to be top. And I think that whether it's the absence or presence of a bench friend Alejandro Balde, a bench friend Cancelo can be very, very important for Barcelona. Niamempe is that now almost all of the Barca outlets that I usually go to read from are beginning to say, oh, it means that Alejandro Balde will leave the club in the summer on the Monaco just because Cancelo is doing well. I think it's important Sebastian keeping two of those players now if they're in the team. But what it means is that Alejandro Balde and unstoppable. Madrid did the job against Eder Sarabia's Elche. Madrid movement to Naba. And maybe a bigger thing for them to turn the Spanish La Liga around. But Madrid will push it to the death. And almost every performance is beginning to go on well for them. Again, it was another weekend without Kylian and Mbappe and goes from Arda Güler, Dean Heitsen, Abrante Fen, Federico Valverde, and Antonio Rudiger, and a she goes to no. Avera Beloa. Wait, 2 weeks ago, you told me that it's been Eduma.
No. At the country Americans or Eduma, say, Osha Madrid injury less than a hour. And the women status. What I say? So we a team now cause our situation, and we are in a Tottenham Makuma, and they are at the verge of saying more relegation. It is only a coach. Now with this injury list, how tall are you? Not still now result. I say about Basso. Yes, me too say. Ne love no Andrew Madrid, but I think that Osha injuries now Madrid one problems our team need go through and the result now Obona Baswa is in the right direction.
Personally, I don't think that I say we do level be as and work coaching team with them and I coach any team. And every day I'll reference two of the greatest managers in the history of the game. Pep Guardiola was not at that level before he coached Barcelona. Zinedine Zidane was not at any level.
It depends on the result now.
That's what I'm saying. So before you go, you don't have to be at a certain level. You should be good enough. And within this time, you have more opportunity. You should be able to deliver. You should be able to show, say, Makase, for me, Adebako Avera Belua here is that we identify the problem at Madrid, especially the low-hanging ones, which for me was about emotionally guiding the players to the right place to deliver for him. All of a sudden, the performance of Vinicius Junior is beginning to turn around. Since he came in, and he feels like that is where he can get the best from. The balance issues, I am not at this point in time, I'm not too worried because if Madrid don't have Kylian Mbappe in their team, I know you don't have too much of a problem in terms of balance. Because already, one person that will probably could have destabilized the team out. So you manage the ones that are there. That is why in the last few games, my boss almost compact 4-4-2 without the ball and with the ball. Now you realize that Madrid are more comfortable with it in between the lines, creating chances and going forward. No, it's helping them kakra. When Mbappe comes, he still has to be able to find that. I think one of the best things that I've seen from my branch friend Avera Belua is the promotion of some young players, no, from the La Fabrica. And it started with our bench friend Gonzalo Garcia. Garcia, and you know didn't buy, but he had gone with the club to the Club World Cup. He had come back. Thiago Putamo Babekao. And over the weekend, there were 3 more. Madrid only gave them the chance to play for them. Our rivals, which is Barcelona, beginning to get a lot of success from our academy. You know. If Madrid can mix the academy, whilst adding the expensive players from abroad, definitely, that is going to be a club that can go on to do a lot of competition. But a good one for them. Winning by that number of goals, no, has been good. For me, and I told myself, say, whatever Arsenal are doing, it's a big testament on the job that I've done over the last 5 to 6 years. When Mikel Arteta started as Arsenal manager, maybe because I probably would have been the only person because I used to look around. Nobody used to say that. And me, every day, because me TS manager and how they approach games are. Over some time, I'm able to say that this is a manager I'll stick with. I can several times, because sometimes I can Austin Wood our love, catch Austin say, nah, get at the top. And he gave me some good accolade on radio. And another lay me. It's been 5 years now. Arsenal are getting there to winning the English Premier League. And no team, maybe Antonio Conte team nearby, but that team had a lot of experience. And we started from fresh, that wins it. Ups, downs, up, chop, changing, squad building, you know, what's a scenario maybe. What you need is some level of stability. Whether you get that from the boardroom, you get that from your coaching, only have stability. Once you fine-tune things over the years, you make mistakes. But Arsenal are there. And I think
I'm fortunate.
No, I don't think it's fortunate.
No, I'm fortunate.
I don't think so.
Kofi, teams with this chance Real Madrid near the young 5 years. They won't.
You see, you don't just go.
First, second year, na result, the penny and you go.
Obiani or buy, because for 5 years, relax now, where you might there be. But if there is progress, they'll keep you there. I've said it several times there. And yet the issue between Maresca and the Chelsea board now, he probably will stay for a longer time. Because we're about the first conference, we're the Club World Cup. And you are there a chance, but that is progress. Then you come again, another Champions League. What qualified for Champions League 4 years in a row? You've been second. A team that was struggling in the Champions League last season, Arsenal called Champions League very, very far. It is progress. He didn't just get handed over to him. He took it and he showed in the progress of a Jumanana Oyen. So for me, I don't think so. I mean, that is something that me personally, I won't say. I don't think that he was fortunate. Okay. I think that he has worked for it, and for me,
because Arsenal,
he deserves a lot of the credit.
Arsenal, that time, that ample time to work.
No, but even with people like Manchester United, it's been 10 years. Much European changes are still, you've not gotten even close to winning the English Premier League. So it's not about the time, it's what the manager does. It could be about United, one born home or the Chelsea will be to me idea. Like you sack him after 2 years, you sack him after 6 months, you sack him after a year. You win a more in buy, and I'm going to call Champions League, and I'm going to do FA Cup. Not necessarily what you call it. That is what Champions League. And you sack him.
Until I make a say, yeah. Arteta, for instance, yeah. Why am fortunate because at Arsenal no Jerry.
Oh, FA Cup.
Neba.
Or FA Cup the first season.
Arsenal for me say, look, be good. Yaman the time. By your teams in the Yoruma. I'm waiting for Hussein money now, but the film result is not coming. Be a person to come to you and they'll sack you.
But how is it that when we progress now?
Capello won the league, La Liga, Real Madrid don't put on the ball in
but Capello winning the league with La Liga at Madrid, the standard is not just winning the league.
Same thing make us say, you two silly one man. Arsenal for instance, bet me 5 years. So Real Madrid you know, Chelsea, Manchester United, some result oriented teams, you know. Some 5 years,
but how long?
Unless we be movie, you go.
I don't think it's when coaches be brave, at certain clubs, you have to take your time. Which me, I don't ever judge the Spanish La Liga, a coach with the Spanish La Liga. It is unpopular among Spanish football lovers, but it is a competition just for Madrid and Barcelona. Madrid now just Spanish La Liga on yeshi. Barcelona have gone 11 years without a Champions League. Their election was about that. League they said Zabi Beje, and the issue is by Okoye. That is the league. Everybody wins the league. A lot of the managers will give them the level of financial stability at Barca, and even Madrid. And even now, you say Barcelona Crampo is Casemiro Crampo. Their finance shoulder is way bigger than most of the La Liga clubs.
Okay.
It is a OG award I don't have a problem. Which now, who said trend be cause well Twitter? Say say Bruno Fernandes, they say winning the Premier League Player of the Season.
I don't know on the
no, me so you're Manchester.
I
Premier League Player of the Season.
Yeah. We are underrated.
No.
Bono now Bono.
Should he win the Premier League Player of the Season?
Yes. This season Bono Brand and Bono. As only winning.
Okay. Mati. That is from a Manchester United fan.
Yeah.
Mati. Carrick a very, very good home record. Against Villa, Crystal Palace, Tottenham Hotspur, Fulham, Manchester City, and of course against Arsenal. For me, I don't think say Bruno Fernandes winning the Premier League Player of the Season. He can be in the top 5, top 6, but Premier League Player of the Season there are players at Arsenal, and what you do for your team should culminate into something. I don't think Bruno Fernandes, although his records are solid, 16 assists this season, very close to Rooney, and Brentia, the friend Kevin De Bruyne. I think he has been the lifeline for Manchester United, and he deserves a lot of credit. Like I said, Arsenal are right there, and they are getting the job done. Quickly, Rich, this weekend should have been a good one for Chelsea to start the momentum to turn it around against Paris Saint-Germain. Bankodesa. And tactically, it is down to Liam Rossini. Or yeah, 3 solid mistakes that made him lose that game against Tottenham, against Newcastle Forum. For me, say Oka se overcome man to man. Which you press man to man across the field of play. So if Chelsea match now, the man to man that they were pressing were in certain zones, just like against Paris Saint-Germain. So per man to man, you are aggressive and press high. But I say, Liam Rossini who say maybe a season you drew and the players the fitness, no a little bit questionable. He will set off them. But over high line, then you are pressing man for man. There is space in between the 2 centre backs. That was how our Brentford friend Anthony Gordon went on to go and score that goal. I was very disappointed in our Brentford friend Wesley Fofana. Look at this space here. Joe will like a make you run and the ball goes. This is Wesley Fofana with our Brentford friend Anthony Gordon. You flip the screen, Wesley Fofana is jogging. Then Gordon goes to win the ball, and then there is a goal against Chelsea. From then, it doesn't happen. I know they are going to be around a lot of pressure. Now, the good thing for Chelsea fans, they say, whilst they are struggling, Aston Villa and Liverpool so are not in a very good place at all. And a ball for them to go on and see they can get the top 4. Rich, Mami Facina, Ochina, a Champions League.
Sure.
Ochina, almost meeting here, Remontada, they will try and see they can do it. We'll see for to happen now. My mama quick quotes be if I'm on with T4 near fan prepare for Nyamia Mochina Champions League near Bono. First one a BW46010B7D. Second one a BW4600FOFO. Third one a BW4600EC13. The fourth and final one, a BW4600D81E on all Fifi, my friend. Okay. Social media and also I can reach.
That's a coffee romantada na. For your third made so the amount in showers of 4.5 Bismarck. Also, when Payala bad now before Ayala Bebano, Yenny Apumidin Komokaka, Yenny Karisik for and Edin Komoma Catchel. Sari tambia ote sama bo